Hey everyone, welcome to Sustainability Studio. Today we're talking about living sustainably and saving money while doing it. Let's dive into 10 simple swaps. First up, let's talk about something we all use every single day. Water bottles. You know how much those single-use plastic bottles add up? I used to be guilty of it too. Grabbing a bottle from the convenience store on my way to a flip, but honestly, those things are a nightmare for the environment. They end up in landfills, pollute our oceans, and take hundreds of years to decompose. Not to mention, buying bottled water every day is a huge waste of money. Think about it. A reusable water bottle is a one-time investment. You can get a really good one for like $20 and it'll last you for years. Next up, let's talk about paper towels. They seem innocent enough, right? But think about how many you go through in a week, a month, a year. It adds up. Switching to reusable cloth towels is a total game changer. It's way better for the environment because you're not constantly throwing paper away, and it's way better for your wallet. Cloth towels are more absorbent, they're more durable, and you can wash and reuse them hundreds of times. Plus, you can even get creative and repurpose old t-shirts or towels that you would have otherwise thrown away. Okay, this one is a no-brainer. How many times have you gone to the grocery store and forgotten to bring your reusable bags? I used to do it all the time. It's so frustrating. But seriously, those flimsy plastic bags they give you at the store are a disaster for the planet. They take forever to break down. They end up polluting our oceans and harming wildlife. Plus, in a lot of places, you even have to pay for them now. Like, what's the point of that? Keep a stash of reusable bags in your car by the door or even in your purse or backpack. They're super convenient and you'll be saving money and the planet every time you use them. LED lights, a bright idea. All right, let's talk about lighting up your home, literally. Switching to LED light bulbs is one of the easiest and most effective ways to save money on your electricity bill. I know what you're thinking, LEDs are expensive, and yeah, they do cost a bit more upfront than those old incandescent bulbs, but here's the thing, they last way longer. We're talking like 15 to 25 times longer, plus they use way less energy, which means your electricity bill is going to be significantly lower. So even though you're paying a little more upfront, you're saving a ton of money in the long run. Reusable coffee cup, fuel your caffeine addiction. This one's for all my fellow coffee addicts out there, myself included. If you're a daily coffee drinker, invest in a reusable coffee cup. Seriously, it's a game changer. Think about how many disposable cups you go through in a week, a month, a year. It's insane. Not only is it wasteful, but it's also expensive. Most coffee shops will give you a discount for bringing your own cup. It's usually like 10 or 25 cents off, but hey, every penny counts, right? Plus, a lot of reusable cups are insulated, so your coffee will stay hotter for longer. Safety razor a cut above the rest. All right, guys, let's talk about shaving. Those disposable razors might seem convenient, but they're terrible for the environment and your wallet. They're made of plastic, they're not recyclable, and they end up in landfills. Plus, those replacement cartridges are ridiculously expensive. A safety razor is a much better option. It might seem a little intimidating at first, but trust me, it's super easy to use. And the best part is the blades are incredibly cheap. You can get a pack of 100 for like $10, and each blade can last for multiple shaves. Let's talk about food storage. How many times have you used plastic wrap to cover a bowl of leftovers or wrap up a sandwich? Yeah, me too. But here's the thing, plastic wrap is terrible for the environment. It takes forever to break down and it can't be recycled. That's where beeswax wraps come in. They're made from organic cotton that's coated in beeswax, jojoba oil and tree resin, so they're completely natural and biodegradable, plus they're reusable. You can wash them with soap and water and use them over and over again. Rechargeable batteries power up sustainably. Let's be real, batteries are essential. But those disposable ones are a nightmare for the environment. They contain all sorts of nasty chemicals that can leach into the soil and water. Plus, if you're anything like me, you're constantly buying new batteries because the old ones are dead. It's a waste of money and resources. That's why I switched to rechargeable batteries. Yeah, they cost a bit more up front, but trust me, they're worth every penny. You can recharge them hundreds of times, which means you're saving money in the long run and you're not constantly throwing batteries in the trash. Cloth napkins. Elevate your dining experience. Let's be honest, paper napkins are basically single-use items. You use them once and they're gone. It's wasteful and unnecessary. Switching to cloth napkins is such an easy and affordable way to make a big difference. They're way more durable, they're more absorbent, and they can actually elevate your dining experience. Plus, you can find some really cool and unique cloth napkins at thrift stores or vintage shops. DIY cleaning solutions, effective and affordable. Last but not least, let's talk about cleaning products. Those conventional cleaners you find at the store are often loaded with harsh chemicals that are bad for your health and the environment. Plus, they can be really expensive. The good news is you can make your own cleaning solutions at home using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These ingredients are super affordable, they're effective at cleaning, and they're much safer for you and the environment. And small changes, big impact. There you have it, guys. 10 simple swaps that can save you money and help the environment. Remember, you don't have to do everything at once. Start small. Pick one or two of these swaps and gradually incorporate them into your life. The important thing is that we're all making an effort to live more sustainably. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And let me know in the comments down below which one of these swaps you're going to try first.